Today we're going to be working on an advanced statistics problem. The problem reads, if there is no seasonal effect on human birds, we should expect equal number of children to be born in each season. A student takes a census of her statistics class and finds that of the 120 students in the class, 25 are born in the winter, 35 in the spring, 32 in the summer, and 28 in the fall. She wonders if the excess in the spring is an indication that birds are not uniform throughout the year. In the winter, there were 25 students, in the spring there were 35, in the summer there were 32, and in the fall there were 28 students. Part A asks us, what are the null and alternate hypotheses associated with this question? The null hypothesis is that the number of children born in each season is equal, and the alternate hypothesis is that the number of children born in each season is not equal. Part B asks us to compute the chi-squared statistic. So we're going to use the chi-square goodness of fit test since there's only one variable, and to check the conditions, we first start with an SRS, and since she says it's a census of her entire class, we don't need it to be randomized. 80% of the expected values are greater than 5, and no expected value is less than 1, so all the conditions are met. To do the test, first we're going to plug in L1 our observed, which is 25, 35, 32, and 38, and in L2 we're going to plug in our expected. And since there are 120 students and 4 seasons, each season should have 30 students born in it. So 30, 30, 30, and 30. Next, we're going to go over to stat tests, and we're going to choose the chi-square GOF test. We find that the chi-square value is 1.93 and the p-value is 0.586. Part C asks us, how many degrees of freedom does the chi-squared have? It has 3 degrees of freedom. Yay! Part D asks us, what do you conclude about the null hypothesis at alpha equals 0.05? So since the A is 0.05 and the P is 0.586, the alpha value is less than the p-value, so we failed to reject the null hypothesis. In context, we can conclude that the number of children born in each season is equal, since we failed to reject the hoe. Thanks for watching!